I'll do my best, Steven. I'll do my best. I would love to see some fire-ass Laker cards. Some colored. We haven't seen, I don't think I've seen a blue LeBron yet. We pulled a pink one, but it was for the Cavs, so maybe we can get a pink Laker. Cavs and Bucks, those are two good teams. You can pull a LeBron, MVP, Giannis. Cavs got good rookies too. I'm gonna give everybody a few minutes to join. It's 9:30 right now. At 9:32, I will start breaking packs open. Let's go. Whew, that's a tall order, man. That's a tall order. Genesis MVP Bron. I would love to see it, though. I would love to pull it. I've opened, I want to say I've opened over 100 packs of Mosaic. At least 100 packs, and I've only pulled one Genesis, and it was a Kai Bowman. So I know Royalty Sports, I want to say we pulled at least like 5. Yeah, I don't know if you can get a Genesis in Hobby. I'm not too sure, to tell you the truth. I don't think so, though. Never say never. Oh, yeah. The whites are my favorite. We're still waiting for a black. Royalty Sports, we have not pulled a black card yet. Oh, speak it to existence, Steven. Let's go. Eddie, what's up? I really like those white cards, too, though. Those white cards are really nice. What's up, Mikey, Mickey? Welcome. Good evening. Man, a nice white card, black card. Oh, yeah, we'll get hot in here. All right, I'm gonna open up this box. It's 9:32. 2 minutes after I said we were gonna start, so let's go. Good luck to everybody. Let's pull some heat. Damn right, Eddie. Let's do it. Whoops. Empty box. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it. Good luck, everybody. All right, first card. Aaron Baines. Not too worried about the first card. We all know that the fire is in the middle. Let's go. We got Dante DiVincenzo, Tobias Harris, Thomas Satoransky, Dylan Brooks, Kevin Huerter, Julius Randle. Oh, okay. A nice mosaic for the Nuggets. Nikola Jokic, the Joker. Red Rodney Hood. Okay, nice blue chips. Rui Hachimura. Nice hit for the Wizards. A Nikola Vucevic for the Magic. Goga Batats, whatever. Dwayne Wade, Team USA. Eric Pascal. And Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. All right. Not the start we were looking for, but let's just get all them trash card. Let me take that back. Not so popular cards out the way so we can pull the fire. Let's go. Pack number 2. Here we go. We got Gary Harris, Gordon Hayward, Thomas Bryant, Furkan Korkmaz, DeLeon Wright, Terrence Ross, Triple J, Jaren Jackson Jr. for the Grizz. Oh, wrong Grizzly. Jay Crowder silver. Goga Batats red. Nice hit for the Pacers. Luka, there we go. Luka Stairmasters. Oh, another Nikola Jokic Stairmasters. The Nuggets are hitting. Whoops. Carson Edwards. Scottie Pippen. Kendrick Nunn. Nice play for the Heat. And Wilt Chamberlain. Let me adjust my light real quick so that it's not making too much of a glare. All right, let's go. Third pack. Let's go. Let's heat up. Let's go. Just looking for one nice Kobe White. All right, let's see if we can do it, Mikey. Mikey, I know last time we pulled a red, so hopefully we can do better. Let's go. Austin Rivers, Kevin Knox, Harrison Barnes, J.J. Redick, Danny Green, Eric Bledsoe, Royce O'Neal. Oh, Daniel House Jr. silver. Let's go. Let's heat up. Okay, we got an overdrive in here. Not yet, though. All right, here we go. What we got? Upside down. Oh, no. Markelle Fultz. And this is numbered 5 out of 99. Nice hit for the Magic. All right, we got Kyrie Irving, who is our overdrive. Love these overdrive cards. Bradley Beal, overdrive for the Washington Wizards. It's a nice card. Admiral Schofield. There we go, Kobe White. Terrence Mann. And Oscar Robertson. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's heat up. Let's go. We want to see some Bron, Zion, Ja. Looking for some more Luka. Here we go. Kevin Love. Wesley Matthews. David Bertans. Daniel Theus. Bojan Bogdanovic. D'Angelo Russell. Oh, we got our auto here. Start pulling from the back. Got Magic Johnson, Showtime. Oh, there we go. Nice base R.J. Barrett. Good hit for the Knicks. Tyler Hero. There you go, Heat. Bol. There we go. The Nuggets are hitting. Ricky Rubio, International Men of Mastery. De'Aaron Fox. Oh, this is a nice pose. De'Aaron Fox for the Kings, nice montage. What we got here? Oh no, Furcon Cork Moss. Do not come back out. I think we've gotten 2 of your cards already. You're good for the night. Devin Booker, Mosaic. And who we got? For the Spurs. Oh, nice. George Gervin, the Iceman. Let's check this out. Okay, not bad. Nice legend. Congrats to the Spurs. All right, let's go. Seth Curry, Troy Brown, Alec Burks, C.D. Osman, Kyrie, Damian Jones, Frank Nicolina. All right, here we go. Some color coming up. Admiral Schofield, Mosaic for the Wizards. Nasir Little, red for the Blazers. International Men of Mastery, Kristaps Porzingis. Draymond Green, montage, Mosaic for the Warriors. Kyle Guy for the Kings. There we go. John Morant, NBA debut for the Grizz. Let's go. Now we need some color and a base. Cody Martin for the Hornets and Vince Carter, Team USA. All right, we're still about halfway done. And we got 5 more to go. Let's go. We still got a lot of basketball cards left. Let's pull some heat. Let's go. Still looking for LeBron, Zion. Here we go. Jonathan Isaac, Ricky Rubio, Grayson Allen, Cal Drogo, Steven Adams, Marc Gasol, Aaron Holiday, Anthony Simmons, and who we got here? Jalen Noel Silver. Let's go, Panini. Give us something. Larry Nance Jr., red. Karl Anthony Towns, montage. Oh, no. Jackson Hayes. All right, you made your 1 appearance. Congrats. You can leave now. Jarrett Culver for the Timberwolves. Damn, it's got a little gunk on it, but it can be wiped down. Wilt Chamberlain, MVP for the Sixers. Darius Garland for the Cavs. And Taco Fall for the Celtics. Let's go. Let's heat up. Let's go. I know you didn't do us dirty like this, Panini. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, here we go. Derek Favors, Clint Capella, Nicholas Batum, Goran Dragic, Kentavious Caldwell-Pope, Brian Forbes, Dorian Finney-Smith, Silver Rajon Rondo. Oh, here we go. Here's our pink. Let's go. Give us something. Let's go. Give us something. Oh, Kevin Love. No. All right. Let's see what we got here. Number 38 out of 49. Yes, the storm is coming. Yes, Eddie, I like your attitude. Here we go. Nice De'Aaron Fox Stairmasters. Oh, what we got here? Oh, shit. There you go. There you go, Steven. Nice. You called it, Eddie. There we go. LeBron James swagger. Let's go. Let's go. Heating up. Let's go. Nice fucking card. Looks good, too. Damn. Nice card. Boom. There we go. Oh, look who was behind him. Let's go. Oh, man, there's like, I don't know if you guys can see it, some type of like printing line back here. Hopefully you'll be able to wipe that down with a cloth, but either way, let's go. Oh, there we go. This is a fire pack so far, RJ Barrett. And who we got back here? Oh, okay, nice. Terrence Davis. I'm a fan. Terrence Davis, let's go. Nice rookie. And Charles Barkley, Team USA. Okay, there we go. Heating up. Let's go. There we go. Bradley Beal, you're going to have to bounce. You're going to have to move all the way to the left. Normally, I only got 3 up here. Hopefully, we can fill it up with some fire. We'll fill it up with what we got so far. All right, let's go. 3 packs left. Let's go. Let's do it. I want to see a stained glass. Let's go. A black gold card. That'd be fucking fire. White, too. Shit, at this rate, we're just looking for somebody nice that it has a colored card. Let's go. DeMar DeRozan. Jamal Murray. Buddy Hield. Josh Hart. Nikola Vucevic. There we go. Jason Tatum for the Celtics. Another print line. That's like my only issue with Mosaic. Some other cards comes with print lines or some weird gunk on them. Oh, who we got here? Boom! There you go, Bulls. Let's go. Nice. Kobe White NBA debut. Mosaic. Let's go. That's a nice fucking card. We heating up. Let's go. Who we got back here? Oh, Patrick Beverly. It's all right. You a Clipper. I got respect for you a little bit. All right. Joel Embiid. Oh, what we got back here? Nice. There we go. Nice, Giannis. There we go. International Men of Mastery Mosaic. There you go, Bucks. Let's go. Starting to heat the fuck up. Let's do this. Let's go. Oh, Jackson Hayes. Then you pop your motherfucking head out. I said go away, motherfucker. Bring Zion. James Harden. Romeo Langford. Eric Pascal. All right, let's go. 2 more packs left. Let's go. We looking for Zion. We looking for some more Bron, Ja. Luka. All right. Here we go. We got Jimmy Butler. Larry Nance. Victor Oladipo. Robert Covington. Rudy Gobert. Klay Thompson. Blake Griffin. Here we go. We got a Mosaic. Okay, not bad, not bad. A Kyrie Irving Mosaic for the Nets. Not bad at all. There we go. Kawhi Leonard red. One of my favorite underrated players in the hobby, in my opinion. Nice card for the Clippers. Okay, there we go. Nice introductions for the Hornets. PJ Washington. Oh, what we got here? Oh, shit. There we go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. There's a stained glass behind here. Let's fucking go. Let's see who we got here. Let's slow roll this shit. It's for the Brooklyn Nets. Kyrie Irving. Hey, still a nice fucking card. These are fucking beautiful. Let's go. Congrats to the Nets. Nets are fucking killing it. Nice fucking card. These are fucking beautiful. Tyler Hero. John Stockton. Matisse Thibault. Oh, Jackson Hayes, you trolling us today, big dog. Trolling us. All right, Joss, and next to you. Who's got to go? You got to go, Ja. NBA debut. All right, let's go. Yeah, that Kyrie stain is fucking fire. Anything stained glass is fucking fire, though, man. Here we go. Let's go. We still looking for Zion. Still looking for LeBron Cavs. Let's go. Who else are we looking for? I can't control it, man. I think I've gotten better, though. I think the first time I came on, somebody told me their kids were watching, and I was still dropping F-bombs every other sentence. I'm getting better, though. I'm getting better. I just can't control it sometimes. Here we go, Anthony Davis. Giannis. Oh, man, I was hoping this was the silver card. It's still a nice card, though. Nice base, Giannis. Here we go, silver. Boom! This is a nice card. Allen Iverson, the answer. Silver, Hall of Fame for the Sixers. Here we got Jordan Poole, red, NBA debut. Good hit for the Warriors. Oh, shit. There we go. Nice Stairmasters for the Lakers. LeBron James. Right, Caleb? Shit, my kids are asleep right now. All right. Who we got back here? We got Tony Parker. Yeah, right, Eddie. Kids say worse on the playground. Mfiondu Kabengele, Karl Malone, Jordan Poole, and Jarrett Culver. All right, let's go over some of the hits. Man, we started off slow, but we definitely heated the fuck up at the end. All right. So I'll go over some of the cards that we have sleeved so far. Some of these will get put in top loaders. We got Admiral Schofield, Darren Fox montage, Luka, Stairmasters, Rui Hachimura, Blue Chips. I think that's the only Rui we pulled. Jordan Poole, red NBA debut. Allen Iverson, silver. I like this card. Giannis base, Mr. Troll, Matisse, Tyler Hero. I think we pulled 2 Tylers. PJ Washington, nice Kawhi Leonard red. Kyrie Irving came out tonight. Kyrie Irving. Eric Paschal, NBA debut. Mickey Burks. Oh, this is a fire-ass card. We can put this in a top loader. NBA debut, Kobe White. Put fire, another fire-ass card. Terrence Davis. Kevin Love, numbered 249. Taco Fall, Darius Garland, RJ Barrett, Cody Martin, Red Nasir Little, RJ Barrett, Kendrick Nunn. And then we got LeBron James Stairmasters, Ja NBA debut, Marco Fultz. And the reason you come up is because you're numbered 5 out of 99. Kobe White again. Giannis, Joker, Stairmasters Mosaic. Got Ja Morant. George Gervin. Bradley Beal Overdrive. LeBron James Swagger. And a stained glass Kyrie Irving. Well, I'm going to get these sorted out and shipped out. No later today's Monday, no later than Wednesday. If you have any questions, please send me a DM or message on eBay. Thank you for joining. If you guys have any questions, again, send me a message. I think Mitchie just posted a Facebook exclusive break. I know John's got a break tomorrow, so we post breaks here almost every day, sometimes 2 a day, sometimes 3 a day. If you guys are interested, check our Facebook page. on the daily, at least once or twice a day, because we'll be posting those Facebook exclusives, first come, first serve. Thank you for joining. Have a good night.